In this video, I want to talk about how you can get a Trading 212 referral code. Now, if you want your own referral code that you can send to your friends, keep in mind this is only possible doing some campaigns. So if Trading 212 is having a campaign where you can invite friends, all you have to do is either use the app or the website, come in here, and there should usually be invite a friend or share your link or this kind of button. Inside of there, you can click on it and then you'll have your referral code. Now, if this is not active, you cannot get your own referral code in any way, but if you need a referral code from someone else, usually the big websites or big companies will have their permanent referral code that you can use if you just Google promo codes. So these are some of them. That's basically how that works. But to get your own referral code, it's only possible doing campaigns. Now, I hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.